a verb conjugation for us, gotin, bibêje. Min got means I said, and here we are using the past tense stem. This is the present tense verb form and past tense verb form. Min negot, I didn't say. In the past tense we use ne for negations. Min negot, I was saying. You use present tense prefix and past tense stem for saying I was saying or for expressing the past tense habits. Min negot, I wasn't saying it. As dibêjim, I'm saying, and the present tense prefix and personal suffix as dibêjim. As nabêjim, na is present tense negation suffix prefix. As a bibêjim, I will say, this a for saying I will. As a bibêjim, I will say, and also in the future tense you are using the second verb stem. As a nebêjim, I will not say.